So car repairs. Today we're working on my '07 Mustang GT, as you can see. So I've been having some issues with the fan, not getting the high speed signal. Only the low speed fan signal works. So I get low speed fan, but I don't get high speed. So I was looking at some of the relays and stuff, trying to troubleshoot relays and swapping the horn relay for the high speed fan relay. So I noticed that it was burnt here. You see it's got a burn there. That was fine, number one. Fine, number two was pulling the fuse box off and actually seeing that the connector is completely burnt out. So if you're having an issue with your high-speed fan relay or low speed, I'd suggest pulling the relays, checking the relays. The first one that I took out was burnt, so I swapped it with another one, and I still get no power. So after seeing that the fuse box is burnt under the relay, I decided I'd come pull the fuse box off and inspect the actual connectors, and here's what I found. So this is obviously burnt out, so what I will need to do is maybe figure out a way to get myself like a toggle switch for the high speed. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. I saw a couple videos online I might be able to follow, but the only other option besides that would be to get this whole thing rewired, which is gonna be a pain, and I'll probably end up paying someone to do it rather than do it myself, because I don't want to mess up anything as far as wiring is concerned. It's pretty vital for the car to run. So I'll figure it out. I'll look around, see what I can do, but I am happy that I found the problem. My low speed fans do work, but it's unfortunately it's not enough. The car runs good or whatever, but I can't rely on my low speed fans only, especially with it being hot outside. So yeah, that's where we're at. This is just a video to let you guys know, kind of give y'all some insight on if you're having a problem with that, with your fan. You can go ahead and test out your relays, look at your relays, make sure everything is right. And if it is, or if it isn't, then, you know, just see if you have any burnt plastic in the fuse box or anything. And if you do, then go deeper and see if it's actually coming from the connector like mine is. I'll figure out a way or a route that I'm gonna take to fix this, but for right now, I'm just gonna clean this up. I know it's not gonna do anything by cleaning it, but I'm here now, so I'll just clean it up, put everything back together, and try and go from there. Okay, so after pulling off the cover that exposed the wires, I'm seeing some further damage here. Also, the wires are corroded. That explains why we got this result here, but yeah, I have to figure this whole thing out. Hopefully I can get this thing fixed. If not, then I'm gonna have to just, I don't know, figure something out in the meantime. If you guys have any advice for me or anything that I can do to maybe bypass this relay or get it fixed, just let me know. So car repairs, so car garage. Till next time, I'll keep you guys updated. Like, share, subscribe. If this helped out, give this video a thumbs up. Comment any questions or whatever. Peace out.